Well, hello internet. Back in the cupboard again today. As you can see, been a busy boy. So yeah, as you can see, a lot of pipe work going on today. Pipe work changed over here. That is going around the loop of the back, going into the hot feed there. Got the cold feed coming down there, and that is almost finished now. And then all I've got to do is yeah, look at that. Is get the pipe from there to go up to the shower head, and that one there will go to somewhere around here. Yeah, been a busy day today. Didn't want to video too much because obviously it'd be really boring just looking at pipe work, but here we are. This is what we've got so far. Yeah, wait a spade your Sunday, eh? So, as I said earlier, wasn't going to do much recording today because yeah, you've seen it all before, and I just wanted to crack on. It's been a whole Sunday. It's getting on about 7 o'clock now. But pump's back in, everything's plumbed up, everything's in place. So in a minute I'll test it. Let me just take you to the shower bit. I'll show you what's in there. So that's obviously where the shower head goes. That is the bit where the shower handheld thing goes. There is the valve, and there's a mess. Right, I'm going to clean up a little bit and then turn the water on and see what happens.
Hello, how's it going?
Right, first test. Cold first.
Oh, you're turning the water on?
Yep. Cold's on. Hot's on.
Any leaks?
I think so. Let's see any. Alright, so we're going to try it.
How are you going to try it? Oh, that'll be my dad. How's the bathroom going?
Come on in then.
Bless him.
In.
I'm in. Beautiful shot of your back.
Ready? There you go.
That one's working. And the top one isn't.
That's just flushing the system. Right, now we put the pump on.
Oh.
So make sure there's no leaks.
Okay, watch this space then. I can hear it. What's going on, Ted?
Right.
Well, hey, look at that!
There you go. There's the rainfall.
Brilliant.
And then
A shower cleaning gadget. That was the only reason I wanted that, wasn't it? Brilliant.
that really is weak, isn't it? That's better.
You're getting all them new walls soaking. You better turn it off. Oh, love it! I love it! I love it even more when I can get in it.
There you go.
Brilliant.
Yeah, it's obviously not fixed in properly.
No.
It will tilt a little bit more up. There you go.
There you go.
You have a shower.
Yay! Tiling next then.
Oh, leak.
Oh no!
Yeah.
Uh-oh. I should have kept my mouth shut. Big one or little one?
A little one.
Oh. But I'm going to turn this off then. Bye.
Well, only a slight leak, and that's because some clown hadn't done that properly. All good now. There you go. All good. Right. Well, that is installed. So, yeah, that's a day's work well done. Still got to do a lot of tidying up. The wiring's got to be tidied up. Obviously, a lot of cleaning. The shelves got to be put back in again. But I've had enough for today, definitely. But there you go. The mixer tap is in. And now for the last little bit of patch up, which is just there. And then, well, the wife's going to be excited because it'll be tiling time. And there you go, last couple of bits in. Obviously a little bit of patching work to do, but I'm going to do that with some patching plaster. Important is just for holes like that, and holes where the old chair used to be, of boarding it completely. But there you go, we are pretty much set after a good clear up. A couple of little bits in the bottom there. There you go, there and there, to get on with the tiling. A job I'm not looking forward to, but hey, it's got to be done. Catch you later, YouTube.
Found yourself away.